What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. Today we are going to talk about time module. At first, let's see the strf time function in time module. There are format codes in strf time such as %y means year, month, day, hour, minutes, and second. Alright, let's demonstrate. At first, we import time module and set a variable as local time and use local time function and set another variable time view equals and use strf time function and use the format code in strf time function %m d y and %h m s and local time, and we print time view. Alright, execute it. Yeah, it shows what date is today and what time is it. At second, let's see the sleep function in time module. In the same way, we import time module and print this is the first execution, and we use time and sleep function and type 5. The 5 means 5 seconds, and print this is the second execution after 5 seconds, and we execute it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, you can see it shows this is the first execution, and after 5 seconds, it prints this is the second execution after 5 seconds. It is very easy, right? Today we have talked about strf time and the sleep function in time module. If you like this video, please give thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe. See you next time.